JJ.A.C Tech Channel. JJ.A.C Electronics, Singko Wi-Fi Vendo, powered by LPB Wi-Fi Software, cheap and best quality software for coin-operated Wi-Fi hotspot machines. As internet users rise with the advancement of technology, the need to be connected to the cyber world also increases. The growing problem is the fact that internet subscriptions can be expensive for some Filipinos, which makes the Singko Wi-Fi vending machine a great product to answer the needs of those who need fast internet speed without breaking the bank. The Singko Wi-Fi vending machine is a product that provides an internet connection for an affordable price. The easy-to-set-up and easy-to-use machine can provide Wi-Fi connection to up to 100 users, with a range of 50 meters to 100 meters, and can still be extended upon purchasing the Wi-Fi extender add-on. With Singko Wi-Fi vending machine's ability to operate without a staff, and ease of management, owners of the machine usually can have an easier return of investment (ROI). Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.